Hey guys, MooneyB123 here with you today. Working with my Samsung Galaxy S Captivate. Having some issues with the volume rocker up and down. It's going crazy. So what I need to do is to get into this thing to check it out. So I'm just gonna make a quick video here today, just show you how to basically get into the inside of the phone here. So first of all, obviously gonna take your back off, take the battery out, take SIM card, SD card out, all that kind of stuff. Okay, there's 6 screws that have to come out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see those real easy. And then there's 2 underneath here. And I saw another video of a kid talking about this. So if you'll push this side all the way in and then pull this side out, kind of where it's kind of like this, you can see there's a screw up underneath there. And then same thing over here. Okay. So you can buy these cell phone kits on repair tool kits on eBay for pretty cheap. But I got this cheap tools, the screwdriver set from a local dollar store, and I saw somebody talking about this on a forum. So I'm mad, and he said just check your local dollar store. And apparently, I guess most dollar stores carry just a cheap little tool screwdriver set like this. I got this for $1. So you can see I'm missing several here. That's what happens when you have 4 kids who can't leave anything alone. That's why we can't have anything nice around here. Anyways, love my kids, I'm just joking, but that's the reason I only have 3 of those in there. So just using a tiny little Phillips head here. Okay, so I'm going to need to take those 6 screws out. There, a little blue on. I guess it's got a little bit of Loctite or something on there. Okay, so let's see if we can. Okay, and should have brought a Ziploc bag or something down here. Put these screws in a place where you're not gonna lose them. Okay, next thing you need is a prying tool. And again, you can get those cheap on eBay, coming with those repair tool kits. But again, I just wanted something that I could do here. This isn't like an old SIM card where my SIM card was right in here. I just took a piece of sandpaper and I just sanded this down to make this to a sharp edge like a knife. And so what we need to do now is pry right in between the housing and the screen right here. Okay, so there's nothing really connecting this back panel to this. And so then there you go. That gets you into the internals of your phone. Really, this is as far as I need to get, because like I said, my volume rocker is what's causing me my problem. So I'm just checking on these buttons here. Really probably should check right inside here, see if there's something in here that's going squirrely. So anyways, there you go. That's how to take it apart and get to this main part right here where you can access different stuff here.